Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps of account verification and show you how to navigate your dashboard. It's quick, easy, and designed to give you full control over your trading experience with MC Markets. Let's start with verification. In your dashboard, go to the Settings tab, and under the Personal Info section, scroll down to find Verify Account. Click on it to continue. First, you'll need to provide proof of your address or proof of ID. The required documents may vary depending on your selected country, and the full list will appear after you choose your registration country. Next, use Face ID to confirm that your face matches the provided documents. The verification process usually takes up to 1 business day, but often, it's completed in real time. While you await verification, let's explore the dashboard. The Settings tab is where you can update or add your personal information. Change password allows you to set a password if you registered with Google or phone number, or change it if you registered with email. Funds password enhances the security level of your funding functions. Google Authenticator is another security tool to safeguard your funds. At the top tier, Asset Management is where all your funding actions take place. Now that you're familiar with account verification and your dashboard, you're ready to manage your account securely and easily. Get started today and take full control of your MC Markets experience.